There's no reason for you to be sexualizing me. Like, we're not together, you don't know me, stop sexualizing me. I don't like that. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a new video for you guys, and today's video is going to be another curvy girl talk. In today's curvy girl talk, we're going to talk about what's a compliment versus what's considered rude and disrespectful, because there is a difference and some people just don't know the difference. So if you guys are interested in hearing my thoughts about this, then please stay tuned and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. Turn on your post notifications, follow me on TikTok, and let's get right into the video. Okay, so first and foremost, I really want to say thank you guys for the support on this video, on this series on my channel. You guys really enjoy this video. Even when I go a while without doing a curvy girl talk, you guys actually request it, whether it's through my Instagram comments, DMs, YouTube comments, whatever it is. You guys actually really enjoy the curvy girl talk. Sometimes I feel like when it comes to these videos, the reason why it takes so long, as I previously said in a couple of my videos, is because I feel like it can get a little bit repetitive. All I have is my experience, and I do think that in the future I want to do some videos where it can be interactive and I can share other curvy women's experience through my channel. But while I'm sharing my own experience, it can get a little bit repetitive because I feel like I'm saying the same exact thing over and over and over again, because this is all I have. But in today's video, I think it's going to be a short video because there's not much to be said about this specific topic. But every time I do a curvy girl talk, a lot of men seem to be confused in the comments and say, well, I just like how curvy women look, and I just really appreciate a woman's body, and etc, etc. You guys get the point. And then from my videos, is sometimes they kind of get the fact that they're not supposed to compliment a woman when they feel like she is beautiful and all of these things, and you know, they have a compliment for them. And that's never what I was ever trying to say in my videos. The first thing I want to say is keep in mind that these are really quick videos. I have a lot to say. Like, I have so much to say, and there's so much that I can say and I can share with you. All of my experiences, or how I feel about every particular situation, or how I feel about just things in general. Like, I can go on for hours on, you know, my experience and how I feel about a certain topic, especially when it comes to something that I live through and I have lived through every day. So don't ever take what I'm saying as just like straightforward, as black and white. I'm not even that type of person. Like, if I say something, there's always going to be like different layers on how I feel, as with every human being. Like, don't ever take it as black or white. Like, me saying I don't like when whatever happens doesn't mean that I just don't want you to talk to me at all. You know what I mean? So that's the first thing I want to say. And the main idea and the main thing about this video is that there is a difference between complimenting someone and just being kind of like rude, or giving like backhanded compliments, or just kind of being disrespectful. And there is a way to compliment a curvy woman, or a woman in general. There are ways to compliment without being disrespectful. Like, if you think that a curvy woman is beautiful, you can say, wow, you have a really nice shape, I love your body. Those comments are fine. I personally don't mind those comments. I don't block people when they're like, oh, I really love your shape, I really love your body, like your curves are beautiful, whatever it is. Whatever you guys say about my body in particular, I don't block those kinds of comments. The comments that I block is when you are sexualizing me, saying, oh, I wish I had you right now so I can, like, no, I'm not gonna get explicit because it's YouTube, but I get really like random and crazy comments, and that's when it starts to get like a little bit like annoying, and that's when it becomes disrespect. That's not a compliment. Like, it's so weird how some people still take that as a compliment. Oh, you should take that as a compliment because they're just admiring your body and stuff, and it's just like, no, that doesn't feel like a compliment. You're sexualizing me when I'm not. There's no reason for you to be sexualizing me. Like, we're not together, you don't know me, stop sexualizing me. I don't like that. There's just those kinds of comments of like, when you're sexualizing me, or you're just saying something about, like, I don't know, it's just sometimes something is too much, and some people don't have that radar, and I kind of get that, but it is not my problem. You know what I mean? Like, if you're coming to me with something that I feel is disrespectful, I have all rights to delete your comment, to block you, to do whatever I feel is necessary, for me, because this is my page you're coming to. I feel like just some men don't really know the difference between that. But I should have probably said this before as well, like early in the video, but I said this previously in a couple of my curvy girl talks, is that I'm never, like, these videos are never to bash men and how, like, any men in general. And some guys tend to get offended, and it's so obvious that you've possibly done something that could have offended a woman or whatever I'm talking about. It's obvious that you've probably fit in that category because you're getting so offended about me talking about my experience. Like, if somebody is talking about their own experience, it's kind of weird for you to get offended by it. And me in particular, I've never generalized all men are disrespectful, all men treat women like this. I've never done that. I've always put out a disclaimer saying, like, I don't feel like it's all men, but I do get a lot of male attention. So obviously there's a lot of men that comment on my pictures and are really disrespectful and over sexualize me. So if you ever feel offended, just check yourself, and if you've done something that's probably been offensive to somebody, if you don't know how to compliment a woman and you're more likely disrespecting her and saying something, then just check yourself and solve it. Like, it's not a big deal. If you make a mistake, if you do something that women don't like, and you're trying to get their attention, it's okay to fix that. Like, just fix it. It's not a big deal. You're gonna be okay. And even if I were to say something that you feel bad about, or that you really disagree with, you can easily, like, talk about it in a way that's not gonna be, like, disrespectful. And also, it's like, I'll say something in a video, and then a lot of people or a lot of guys would end up saying, oh, like the same exact thing that I'm saying in the video. So if you're gonna comment the same exact thing, like, oh, but women, if you take a picture like this, you can't expect, I just said, like, if, you know, women are allowed to take pictures in any way, that don't mean you have to comment something disrespectfully. It just doesn't. And if you are, just keep scrolling. Do something with yourself. Don't disrespect people. If you want to compliment, find a nice way to say what you're trying to say. There are nice ways to say things. And yeah, sometimes I just end up questioning, like, do women actually respond to this? Like, do people actually like this or something? Because some guys just don't know how to actually just give a compliment and keep it moving. They want to say all types of things and all types of, like, disrespectful and just rude and nasty comments that it's just like, I don't know why you feel so okay with doing this, but it's not okay. Even though you think you may be giving a compliment, it's the way you say things. Like, words do matter, especially when you are commenting on my pictures. I don't know you, you don't know me. Your words matter because this is all I'm seeing. Like, you know what I mean? So your words do matter in this case. Now, if you just don't give a flying fish and you want to just say whatever you want to say, by all means do that. But just don't be surprised when you're not going to be able to see somebody's pictures anymore, because I also get those comments on, like, why don't I see your Instagram anymore? You've definitely probably said something that you weren't supposed to say on my page. Say whatever you want to say anywhere else, but don't bring it to my page. That's really all I really wanted to talk about today, because people can't seem to understand the difference between a compliment versus, like, just being rude in something. And I appreciate you guys' compliments. I love you guys' compliments. In fact, in a lot of my videos, I'm always saying thank you guys for the compliments. I try to reply to you guys, especially those of you that are early when I post something and you guys are, like, the first ones there. I reply to you guys. I talk to you guys. So yeah, I don't mind you guys complimenting me. I understand that, like, I feel like women's bodies are a work of art. They are, and so are men's bodies. So it's okay to compliment somebody on their body, on their figure. That's totally fine. Like, complimenting, like saying, hey, this is nice, I like it. It really just depends on the person as well. But what I would consider rude is if you are sexualizing me, if you are saying things that you want to do to me, if you are telling me to take off my clothes when I'm clearly taking a picture to promote the clothes that I'm in. Like, I find those kinds of things very annoying and very just rude. Like, why are you trying to tell me like I'm not this person? If you think that's what I am, then you should, there's a lot of other content that you can follow. It doesn't have to be my page. You know what I mean? So yeah, that's really all I wanted to talk about. I enjoy doing Curvy Girl Talks because I live this. And I really love the messages that I get from the women who can't quite put their feelings into words and who have grown up being naturally curvy, because like being sexualized when you are young is something that it's actually kind of traumatizing, you know, because you do start to see you do start to see men and boys and just males as just gross, and just you start to feel awkward around them, and there's a whole lot of things that you can unpack with that. So I like that you guys are enjoying this series. Let me know what else in particular you guys would like me to talk about in a future Curvy Girl Talk. But in the meantime, I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Just remember to be respectful. Talk to this person as if you're gonna comment something, comment as if that's your little sister or something. Like, well, you probably wouldn't say the same things, but you know, like, how would you want somebody to talk to your mom, somebody to talk to your sister, somebody to talk to the women in your family? It's the same kind of thing. Like, you know, you don't want them to just go around disrespecting unless you do, because some people are just like that. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. Follow me on TikTok because I post a lot of TikToks and I'm having fun over there. So follow me on TikTok. It's KissedByKen1. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!